guys, what's up? Ela unnaru kaise ho? I hope you're all doing great and fine. This video is going to be about my journey for the bike competition which is going to be held at Coimbatore. This bike competition is EBDC, which is Electric Bike Design Challenge, conducted by Sri Ramakrishna College. Right now the time is 7:40 PM in the night, so we are going to board our buses at Sholinganallur in Chennai at 9:30 PM. So this is my preparation. Everything is very messy here, please don't judge. This is how most bachelor houses are. Repeated mistake by most of the men is to have a haircut right before a day you go for a trip or a tour or something important. Me now, after a haircut. Most of the men do this. I regret a lot. Now I regret a lot. I had this and maybe I look better after 1 or 2 days. So one more other thing is, today is OG's pre-release. Crazy. Pawan Kalyan fans ra. Start my journey. Sidhu is going to drop me at Sholinganallur. So before that I have to have my dinner. So stay tuned, watch till the end, like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon. Thank you guys. Hi friends.
8106
On boys! Woo! Body. Sorry. Guys, we are halfway to our hotel. So look at this place. It's like so beautiful. It's almost 12 AM in the night, and I'll show you what we are doing in this night. బూతులు మాట్లాడొద్దు vlog. So guys, right now it's almost 8 AM in the morning. So today is day 2 and we're going to start from the hotel. Turn on. Nice. We loaded our bike and the college is almost 16 kilometers from here. So yeah, and we are also going in a car. Shoaib is here. Hi bol. Chalo. Guys, the college is between the mountains. Supra? How much time? So guys, this is the trial round. You can see there you have the hill climb thing. That is not hill, but that is not even 3 meters, it's just 1 meter, and you have a 2 meters hole. This is 3 meters, sorry, this is 3 meters, it's just 1 meter. And just look at this mud. I don't think so our bike will make it to this, but the driver skills. So hello guys, today is day 2 of our bike event and it's 8:34. We are waiting for others to come and we are going right now. We'll have to have our tiffins and then go. So yesterday we finished our safety inspection. We still didn't get this technical inspection sticker. So today there are few things which are left for the technical inspection, which were like rewiring and few components has to be replaced. So we are waiting for that. So this is how we are traveling. This is Fayaz, Srikar, 4 members, Kannadi, So guys, it's 9:45 but no one's here. The event has just started but still no one's here. Come, I'll take you to the EBDC ground.
All the things are requested.
I'll explain you about brakes, okay? These are drum brakes. So this will be on the tire. And there's a iron lining inside. Okay. So that line, these are brake linings. They're working. So these are the brake linings. These are the brake linings. Okay, when you actuate the brake, this will be, mechanically settled with the spring and the rod. So when you hold it like this and actuate the brake, this will rotate and puts the force on the drum. So like this. So this is a function of a mechanical drum brake. To give us our imprint here on the posters. I don't know they'll give us this to home, but we'll just leave them to this.
Sorry, okay, yeah.
Our technical inspection is still not completed, maybe tomorrow, but this is the first team who completed the technical inspection. So we have come to see those guys work. The driver is waiting for the technical inspection to be done, so the driver can go and ride the vehicle. This is Prasad, the driver. Technical inspection is almost over. So now we are going for the completed dynamic rounds.
Yeah, take it. Come on, bro, come on. Prasad, na, come on.
Guys, we just failed, guys. It's okay.
What happened? Okay.
Actually, some electrical wiring thing.
While driving.
While testing, everything was perfect. But when we came on to the brake test road, bike stopped.
How can these guys laugh?
Idiots. Okay guys, we just failed. We failed.
Dear Lord.
Guys, we finally did it.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Kill
Kill it in the acceleration test. Kill it.
स्टार्ट ही थर्ड पे डाल के थर्ड में डाला तो जल गया तो थर्ड में डालूं ओनली 2 moves no moves no direct boys flash portfolio back చేయండి so guys we won. I mean we didn't win, we finished the track. We passed the track. We didn't thought it would be possible but we all did it and look at the bike condition. This was how I rode now. I'll upload my video.
Hey, அந்த கண்ணாடி குடுங்கடா. ஏய் ஸ்டிக்கர் எங்கடா ஒட்டி இருக்காங்க? ஸ்டிக்கர் இல்ல சார். ஸ்டிக்கர் காணல சார். தல. வேற பாசரே. தல. நான் bro.
Today is 25th September and we have come to watch OG. It's 12:30 after our work. We have come here to watch the movie. Everyone is so tired. So like they were so tired. Even I am tired, but I just had a monster energy so that I am awake now. That's why I'm awake now. So yeah, OG. First half is very nice.
Nice Ra. Very good, very good. Come on boy, nice Ra. So guys, today is the final day of our e-bike competition and right now we are going for the endurance round. This is my suit and it's a track of 5 kilometers. It's an off-road track. Correct 8 minutes ra 16 minutes lo complete chesindi enni kodalra 8 minutes aha aapesindi bandi pakkana bandlo vastundi
Okay, what are we going to do now?
Now we are going to have a surprise test which is 2.5 km the male driver will be riding and 2.5 km the female rider will be driving. So we are just waiting for our chance. Ayyo hirra apdi fight. Guys, our bike stopped in the track after 2.5 kilometers from P10 to P1, but then I don't know what happened. Yeah, controller gone, fuse poichi. Tea no comments. So guys, we finished our event and we are going back to Chennai. Today is Friday and day 4 of the competition. We finished it. It's 9 PM in the night and we are leaving for Chennai. Guys, one day. So yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting me by liking, commenting